Imagine if the water you drink could hold the key to your inner peace and emotional well-being. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of water crystal meditation, a practice that's redefining how we connect with ourselves and the world around us. Stay tuned to discover how this transformative method is capturing the hearts and minds of wellness seekers and meditation enthusiasts alike. Water crystal meditation isn't just the latest mindfulness buzzword, it's a practice with profound potential. At its core, this technique involves meditating with water as a focal point, setting intentions, speaking affirmations, and channeling positivity into the water you consume. But is it all hype, or does it truly hold the power to elevate your emotional and mental well-being? Let's explore. This practice has its roots in the groundbreaking research of Dr. Masaru Emoto, who famously studied how water responds to human consciousness. His experiments revealed that positive words like gratitude and love formed intricate, beautiful water crystals when frozen, while negative words like hate resulted in chaotic patterns. This fascinating idea, though debated within scientific communities, invites us to ponder an intriguing question. If 60% of the human body is water, could our thoughts and emotions influence our own inner harmony? While the science remains controversial, the practical outcomes have spoken for themselves. Many individuals who've embraced water crystal meditation report incredible changes. Take Emma, a busy tech entrepreneur who combated burnout by meditating daily with a simple glass of water. Channeling gratitude while focusing on the water brought a sense of grounding to her hectic schedule. Or consider practitioners who've turned this into an emotional release tool, using affirmations such as, "I am calm," or "I forgive myself," to process difficult feelings. Their stories highlight how accessible and impactful this practice can be, even for newcomers to meditation. Now, hold on, doesn't this still sound a little too good to be true? Critics often point out that Dr. Emoto's studies lacked rigorous controls, leading some to label his findings as pseudoscience. And there's truth in that. It's clear that more testing is required to solidify its credibility. But here's the thing. The act of meditation itself has never been solely about hard data. Whether it's visualization exercises or positive affirmations, the value often lies in the mindset and the connection we create with ourselves. What makes water crystal meditation so captivating is its simplicity. Start by filling a glass of water and focusing on an intention: calmness, resilience, love you, name it. Speak these affirmations aloud or silently, channeling your energy into the water. Then, drink it, visualizing those feelings, nourishing your entire being. This small yet powerful ritual could be the refreshing aid-on your meditation routine needs. Still skeptical? That's completely fine. New practices often challenge us to think and feel differently. But isn't growth all about exploring what resonates with you personally? Whether you're inspired by the science, the anecdotal stories, or simply curious to try something new, water crystal meditation is worth exploring. Transformation often begins with the smallest actions. And in this case, it starts with a single sip. What intention will you set for yourself today?